Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing amazing wherever you're watching us from. It's another day, another video. Vlogmas yetu tulikata short. I've not posted since Friday. I think our last video was on Friday. Saturday I did not post, and then yesterday on Monday I did not post. Reason being, Kumkia Friday, Nolan got very sick. He had terrible fevers. On Saturday, tukasema wacha to watch tuone maybe it will go away. On Saturday, it kinda got worse. Oh, for those who are new here, my name is Nzisa Ocheng. I'm a mom, a stay-at-home mom of 3. I'm a wife, I'm a sister, and you're very much welcome to this channel. We do a lot of family content, lifestyle content, and motherhood, basically. So Nolan got sick on Saturday. We went to the hospital, got medication, antibiotic. We got antibiotics. We got antibiotics and probiotics and painkiller. And mostly the painkiller was mostly for the fevers. So it was not changing. Hakukuwa na change hata kimeza dawa. I was stressed. Kai. I don't know you mothers do, but mimi mtoto akiwa mgonjwa, I lose it. I lose it. So I was not okay and I could not record. I was hata ningekuwa na video, niko very sure singe edit. Sikuwa najisikia hata. Different environment today we are shooting. I'm back to my house. I came on Saturday. The Saturday after we went to the hospital, I came back here. Because I didn't want to be left. My family walikuwa wanaenda wedding. I could not go because Nolan was sick. Na sikutaka kuacha kwa hiyo nyumba kubwa peke yangu. So I came back to my house. And I've been here since. So that's why we are shooting here. And Nolan amekuwa mgonjwa, sikuwa najisikia kurecord, later on hata kuedit ama kupost cause naye is a clingy baby. He is a very clingy baby. Na alikuwa anataka nishinde nimemshika. Hataki hata mtu mwingine, anataka tu mimi ndo nishinde nimembeba. So I could not post. But we are back now. He's feeling better. Still on medication, but is feeling and looking better, okay, than he looked hapo nyuma. He's looking better than he was looking. So I decided to just shoot a update video, and then we'll continue with the vlogmas, because I don't know how I'm going to do it, because now it's just me and Nolan. Like right now I'm shooting because he's taking a nap. It's just me and Nolan now. My husband has gone to work and the rest of the family have traveled. They are traveling actually today. Wish them a safe journey. They are in the comment section. Them a safe journey. And we know that they are going to get there safe. Okay? So it's just me and Nolan now. Sasa kushoot na Nolan and still take care of the house, take care of him. It's going to be hard. So mkiona ni kama vlogmas yetu imeisha, just know sikujua kitu ya kufanya. Nilitoa hizo nails that very Saturday. I said, hey, it's just me and Nolan now. I have to take care of him, so nails have to go. So this is just these are just my natural nails. Nails had to go so that ikuwe rahisi kuhandle mtoto. Because wengine wajua nilikuwa na hivyo makucha because I knew I had people to help me around with the baby. Those yet is in a restrict, but I felt like, no, I need to be comfortable. So here. And I think I'm going to be like this for a very long time now. I don't feel like making my nails. Just like my hair. I don't feel like it. My nails are going to stay this natural for a while now. Si ati kwa sababu ati siwezi tengeneza, no, I just don't want to. I just don't feel like doing it. So something has been bothering me. Something has been running through my head over and over again, and I don't know kama ni mimi tu ama there's someone out there who's like me. I feel like the age I'm in right now, I think maybe ni social media pressure. I don't know. Because I'm seeing very young people, younger than me, way younger than me, making boss moves out here, and I'm like, wait, what was I doing in those years? What was I doing in hizo miaka zenye wako? Mi kwa nini nilikuwa nafanya nini? Do you guys notice anything different with my top? As in from where we started na penye tuko saizi, do you see anything? Hey, tell me you're going through a lot without telling me you're going through a lot. Tell me why I was wearing this top inside out the whole time. Oh my god. Am I stressed? Am I going through stress really? What's happening? I looked at myself and I was like, wait a minute. Oh my goodness. Well, anyway, have you aki kufika, I'm 31 years old right now, and honestly kitu yenye imeshinda ikinisumbua akili is the fact that I feel like I'm stagnant. I feel like my life is not moving forward. I don't feel like I'm making any progress with my life as a person. And every time that I'm not doing well, I feel like my family suffers the most. Na naona nika nimefika hapo. I think in my head nilikuwa nimeshajambianga by the time I'm getting to this age, I should have a business running. I should have some good money. Not like at a lot, no. But some amount just coming into my account, you know. That I'll be able to solve some small issues, some small bills. But right now, since I had Nolan, that's been a year. I've just been surviving on allowance from my husband, and that makes me feel terrible, because it's not like I get a small amount. I'm okay, but I don't want to be okay. I don't want to just be okay. And for someone who was used to grinding and earning something for themselves, I feel like I need to do better. And kai, nani amefika 30 na feel ni kama maisha yake imestop. Kwanza ukiangalia online uone vile watu wengine wadogo hata kutuliko, they are making money. People are building houses out here. They're buying land. They're buying cars. I know those are just material things, but you know, the things that make life enjoyable and worth living. I don't know if I should say that. Should I really say make life worth living? No, not really. But it makes it easy. It makes day-to-day life easy and enjoyable, Ama. Because me, I feel like those are things that at this age, I should have at least something. So hizo zote, but I should have something, right? I should be able to be living in the house that I feel comfortable in, the house that I feel at home. Sasa kwanza angalia ile mlango. Na feel ni kama at 31 then I sit down and I say it's because of kids, because if not for the kids keeping me at home, I'm not a lazy person. I'm not a lazy person and I love making money. So if not for the kids, I know I would be working. I'd be doing something for myself. I was selling perfume, the refill ones, earrings, all of that, as in those lady stuff. But then I stopped because I still am not getting time to go and restock. My light went off, but I believe I'm going to have some natural light here. I think kuna some natural light, though inakuja ikipotea because light imeenda off. Yeah. But it's okay. We have 2026 to try again. We have 2026 to achieve these goals. As long as God keeps us alive, better will come. Sindo? Much better. So we'll just keep trusting God and working. You cannot just sit and wait for things to happen. Hey? Kwanza 31 nishazeeka. Nishazeeka. At 31. So, let's say I'm going to try and work on myself and rebuild myself as a person. Not as a mother or a wife or whatever. No. Just as a person, because I need to take care of me. So, let's say 2026. 2026, that's what we are going to do. We are going to start working. Okay? I want to go to school. I said, I was telling a group we have that I want to go to school, but I'm praying for the grace to go back to school, because 31 and going back to school, it's not like I'm going to do something major. I just want to go and perfect my baking skills. I want to perfect my hairstyling skills. I have a few things that I want to do in the year 2026. Yeah, I have a few things I want to do. I want to perfect skills that I want to perfect. And I also want to start a business. So you see, it's a lot. It's a lot here. Nishazipanga. Now, it's just making sure that I go through with them. Okay? Let's say I have procrastinated for the entire year, 2025. But now it's about time that things change. Things should change. I should do better. Yeah. 2026, we're going to make money. Okay? There's a friend of mine, we were talking online, we were talking on WhatsApp, and she was telling me 2026, we have to make money. And I told her, yeah. We really, as mothers, as women, 2026, we really have to make money. We've been taking care of kids for a while. Now it's about time we do something. We do something that is going to, because me making money is not just helping me. It is going to help my family at large. Okay? Yeah. Imagine being able to take care of some bills without going to my husband. That is going to, I know he will feel like, no, let me just do it. But it's going to take a bit of stress off of him, you know. But he's not complaining. He's never going to complain. And probably I will take care of whatever I want to take care of. And then he will give me the money back because that's who he is. But I know that doing that will make me feel good. And again, I am a gifter. I cannot wait to have enough money to give to the people in my life. Vitu natakanga kuwa gift. Oh God. I don't know why. I just love gifting. I love gifting. So let's see. 31 and rebuilding my life. 31 and starting to make some money. Okay? Today was not even all of this. I was not supposed to shoot such a long video. I was just here to tell you guys why we've not been posting and that we're back. I'm going to try and upload. They may not be long videos like the videos we were doing with Kina Bebo, because now I'm alone. I might not make long videos, but I'm going to have videos for you. Also, probably I might do some videos with the man of the house. Okay, I might do some videos with my husband. I don't know if he's going to want to do them. He's not a camera person. I have never been a camera person, but since starting this channel I just find myself tunasonga tu. Ni vile bado sijapata hiyo confidence. Kwanza when I am starting the video, the intro, it is always shady. Haijawahi tokea vizuri. Reason being, me and camera bado tujaelewana vizuri. But we are getting there. Okay? We're getting there. So I'll see if we can do some sit down videos with my husband. And yeah, we'll see you guys on the next video. As always, from my family to you, with love. Until ngoja, from my family to you, with love. Inafanya ngoja. Wait. How do you people do it? I don't know. Oh my God. I'm terrible. From my family to you, with love. Until next time, bye bye and stay blessed. We love you and we appreciate you so much. Kisses. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye bye.